channel. It's your boy Jay Quillo Talk Live. So, hey, what up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy DIY Trucker Jay, aka Jay Quillo Talk Live. So today we're gonna do here is a full oil change on this 2017 Nissan Altima. Right? So we're gonna do this today. First thing I'm gonna do, first or the last thing, we gotta clean this battery up. Cause see, ladies and gentlemen, when you got a battery looking like this, you can have poor connection. Computer ain't working right, on screen, navigation, ain't nothing working right. This right here is uncalled for, but we're gonna clean all this up today. We'll show you that one later. All right, so we're gonna do the air filter today too, because that air filter is dirty. Like I said, we're gonna run with this SAE0W20 full synthetic, so we're gonna run it today. We also gonna run with a K&W air filter right here. So this is the part number. So if you have a 2017 Nissan Altima, this right here is a 4-cylinder. This is a 2.5 liter. So this is the part number 1008 for this oil filter. It's a K&W. We're gonna go with the air filter. Part number on this, it's gonna say Nissan on it, 11450. All right, so this is what we're gonna do today. All right, so it's gonna be the video on the oil change, air filter, and definitely clean these batteries up. So let me get myself together and I get right back at y'all. But we're gonna hit that air filter first, and I want to show y'all how to do that. Especially you ladies know if you want to get better fuel mileage out your car, change the damn air filter. Excuse my language, change the air filter yourself. I'm gonna show you how to do it if you got a 2017 Nissan Altima. All right, this gonna be the video for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Get right back at you. So welcome back to the channel. Today's video, first video, is gonna be we're gonna change this air filter. So right now this air filter, I already got one popped here. Got one clamp, two. You know, especially you ladies out there who don't want to do some of the stuff yourself, just the odd stuff, you know, to stay on it. Let the mechanic know you want it. All right, so you got a clip here, and then you also got a clip back here in my hand now. So pretty much what we have to do here is take this out here. Let's take it out. Hold up, let me see if there's one in the back. Anything in the back here? No, I don't see nothing back there. You might have to just wiggle that out. You ain't gotta do too much, but you're gonna slide that out of there. So you got a difference between air filters. See that? That is dirty. See, that is dirty. That, look at that. Look, see how clogged up that is? You see that? No, you see that? You getting poor fuel mileage with that. See all that dust and leaves and debris in there? That ain't no good, man. That is not no good. See that? That's what I'm talking about. See, watch this. You see, this is already dirty here. But watch this. Look at that. See? No good. Unacceptable. All right, so now we're gonna show y'all a new one. Now this is for a Nissan. This is for a Nissan. So I might have to, let me see, can I pop this out? No. It might be in there like that. I don't know. Let's check. So that was in there. I'll tell you how much I paid for it. I ain't got no receipt on me right now, but take the tape off here. Hold on, got a little cut over here. All right. Cut it right here. Cut that open. All right, put that back over here. So it's 2017 Nissan Maxima. No, Nissan Altima. Apologize. 2017 Nissan Altima. All right. Now, do you see the difference? Do you see the difference? That's a major difference. All right. That's a major difference. This is the part number here. All right. It says Nissan. That's a major difference. So check that out. Look at that. Flip it over. Ain't too bad on that side, but you can see the dirt in there. You can see the dirt in the line. You flip it over. That. All right. Don't worry about it. Come with the same seals, the same gaskets, the same everything. All right. So this will give you a whole lot better fuel mileage when you hit that pedal. And the part number is actually on here too. All right. So it's 11,450. Yeah, made in China. It is what it is. All right. So that's it. All right. All right. So give me 1 minute. We get to installing this thing. I got you. So what we're gonna do now? You got to go in here. You see, got leaves and stuff in there. We're gonna get all of that out. All right. So let me get that off now. Let me get some of this out of here. So make sure you get whatever debris is in it out of there. All right. So I'm gonna see if I can get a vac so we can suck some of this out of here. Give me 1 minute. Get a vac on that. You gotta suck it out of there. So we got a little shot back here real quick. Just gotta try to prop this open. So I have to take it all off. So we're gonna prop that on right there. Most of it out of there. There you go. Got most of it out of there. All right. Now we're just going to install it. Pretty much how to install filter yourself. Alright, so this goes here. Alright, so make sure this side right here is down. Make sure this side right here is up. So what you're going to do now, pop this up right here. Like I'm doing everything in my hand, so pop it up. Once you got that popped up, you can pretty much slide it in there. It should slide right in the face. There you go. Slide it in there. Make sure everything is down flush. Be in there. Everything is down flush. All you gotta do now is clamp it. That's it. That's how you change the air filter. All right. On a 2017 Altima, 4.4 liter, 2.5. 2.5 inches. So there you go. It's a four-cylinder, 2.5 liter. So small motor, but great on gas. But if you don't do this, how you gonna get good gas mileage if the air filter's looking like that, looking like trash? So that's pretty much about it. That's how you install the air filter. All right. Just as simple as that. And it's the old one. This the box it came in, and that's definitely the part number. All right. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. It's your boy, DIY Trucker J, aka J Quill on Talk Live. All right. We definitely out of here.